Subscribe to channel. Please comment below and don't forget to share this video.
Number 10.
Reduce the number of nut drivers in your bag with these convenient multi-nut drivers, featuring the most common hex sizes all in one tool. The bits are interchangeable, so you won't have to go back to your bag to get another nut driver. Heavy-duty shafts exceed the torque performance of common nut drivers. Each shaft is color-coded for easy size identification. Classic Klein cushion grip handles provide added torque and comfort. The multi-nut drivers are available in two models, a 5-in-1 and a 6-in-1 nut driver. Get your job done faster and lighten your load with multi-nut drivers from Klein Tools.
Number 9.
Innovative new angle on the pliers wrench. The market's first. With its 15-degree angled handles, it provides more space for fingers and knuckles. It allows you to use two tools side by side, no knuckle busting. Fast, push-button adjustment that locks into place. 17 adjustment positions to find the perfect fit for all metric and inch sizes up to 1 3/4 inches. Internal cam design allows for quick and easy ratcheting. Non-marring jaws prevent scratching and rounding corners. 10 times hand strength. Forged with the best quality German steel.
Number 8. Number 7.
The REC50 has 3 settings: forward, reverse, and neutral. Always keep in neutral when not in use.
Number 1.
Over 90% of tool users require tools for both hand and power applications. The decision on which tool to use is often made only after arriving at the job site, whereas Craftform Compact puts you in control with a single compact and versatile tool for both types of operations. Craftform Compact makes it as easy as 1, 2, 3. 1. Push the button on the end of the Craftform handle to reveal 6 different screwdriver bits. The bits are easily removed. The remaining bits are conveniently stored in the handle for future use. 2. The Rapidaptor Quick Release Chuck makes it fast and easy to install the bits, and to remove them just as easily with just one hand. No other tools are required. The free spinning outer ring stabilizes the screwdriver without damage to the skin. 3. Push down the locking collar and the spring load extension is released, and the compact tool becomes a full-size screwdriver. Push down the collar button again until it clicks. Now you can remove the extension and use it as a power tool bit adapter. The extension is easily inserted back into the handle by pushing down on the locking collar. And more, the ergonomic shape of the Craftform handle provides better turning power with less effort, whereas patented Craftform handle design is proven to reduce user fatigue and increase productivity.
Thanks for watching. Please comment below which one do you like best. Let me know what you're thinking. Don't forget to share this video and subscribe to